Hello everybody, thank you for watching. My name is Gabe, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make dried mango covered in dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate that I make myself. We have a cacao tree right here. This is what chocolate is made out of. I am in Hawaii right now in my homestead. I just got back from Thailand. I'm catching up on hacking back the jungle. I got a little out of hand when I left, and I've been back for about a month. I haven't uploaded in about 2 months. I'm sorry for that. I made it to 100,000 subscribers, and I just want to make sure everyone knows that I appreciate this. 100,000 subscribers, that's amazing. Wow, I'm a little bit over right now, and it's just amazing. Thank you guys. I got that silver play button, and it's all because of you guys. You guys are the best. By the way, make sure you like this video, comment, share this video, and all that good jazz. I will later in the video tell you how to get some of the dark chocolate bars that I make from cacao that's grown in Hawaii. Don't go away. Here we go. Let's try it. Focus. Can you focus? Yeah, there we go. This is going to be good. Okay, let's try this. Perfect. Amazing. That's really good. Now, it's not my favorite fruit to cover in chocolate, of course. You know, strawberries, hands down the best. But I had some dried mango from Mexico. I store-bought this, and you just want to make sure that the dried mango is unsweetened, right? No sugar. It's just one thing, dried mango, that's it. And then you can cover it with chocolate. Oh, this is really good. And it's stuck on the mango, and if you use chocolate chips, then you might have to add a little bit of vegetable oil, unflavored vegetable oil, to make it kind of cling to whatever you're covering in chocolate. But this, I didn't use the vegetable oil, and it worked out fine. So I'm not quite sure. You know, maybe it's because it's homemade chocolate. And that brings me to the homemade chocolate. I will provide a link in the description box where you can check out our Facebook page, Leilani Chocolates, and you can order some chocolate. We take donations, And no international shipping, I'm sorry. I know quite a few people from England and Europe have watched my really famous chocolate video on how to make chocolate. That's what made me famous. It's amazing. Or I'm not famous, I'm just kidding. But I think it's the most detailed chocolate video on YouTube, and I'm very proud of it. It's awesome. I just love that you guys watched it. It's almost at 7 million views. It's just amazing. I'm an introvert. I'm not much of a, social person. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not selling merch and, doing the whole, money grab thing, which I should be. Maybe after 100,000 subscribers, which, I think I'm a couple thousand over that right now. Maybe I should get serious about YouTube and not just kind of, just for fun. I think maybe this could be a job. I don't know. I'm making money right now, so it's pretty good. And I just want to thank you guys for, watching my videos. And, the best thing to do is just don't skip the ads, I guess, and watch my videos and share them. I don't know. This, for now, that's what I got. I might get a Patreon. I might get some other things. I might get some t-shirts and some merch. So, people always ask, hey, can you, do this picture with the t-shirt and this or that, and I just want to say again, thank you everyone. You guys are amazing. It's amazing. Wow, the community I've built, or you guys have built. This is actually you. I'm just here uploading videos, and so you guys, whew, all y'all are awesome. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Dried mango covered in dark chocolate. Amazing. I want to thank you all for watching again, and share this video, like, comment. Make sure you check out that link in the description to Leilani Chocolates. And I gotta get this mosquito off here, and I'm out of here. Catch you on the flip side. Take care.